No, me I tell you again, viewers' discretion is advised. But yo, two weird ass case come out at Jamaica again. Yo, me don't know what go on down there so. That girl yeah, she is guilty. She give the police a bum beat story. Yo, me I try to no cuss the bad word it up. But this really upset me. But you know what really upset me about this? Me I tell you now. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit your notification button. Give me 100 million like on that one yeah. But listen, that girl yeah, she has sabotaged the investigation into the murder of her retarded son. Now, she said them rob her car with the PICKNEY knife and cut the throat of the little boy. And she refused to give the police her phone. What kind of mother is that? That girl yeah, is a concubine because she married that boy there, one of the east of them, one old white boy them where rob blood clot Jamaica for years, dog. You understand? I don't know where them girl come from. But what really pissed me off about this case, me I go make you know, me I play some news clip and then me I tell you exactly what pissed me off about this. And you have another weird case come out of Jamaica with this monster rapist. And the police them catch him, them do a good job. Yo, me go talk about them two things in another video yeah.
What we are seeking is a discharge or variation of the order, just so steps can be put in place to assist in the investigation while at the same time protect the right to privacy of persons involved and even persons not involved.
Now the lawyer yeah, appear for him talk. Basically him say him want the thing discharged so them can put steps in it again to protect people. Pretty much him want them not looking at our phone. Because I say the right to privacy. Now, as a mother, how can you sit down in a fucking court and she wasn't even in court? You understand? She wasn't even in court. But what really sick me about this case, the judge get up and say she get mad and say she need more. And the judge can see say, look, the privacy law works in Jamaica. Like that girl here, I buy out that case here. You see what I'm saying? She wasn't even in court. The judge looked like she was getting mad at the prosecutor. But really and truly, the prosecutor and the police do the right thing. The fucking law, privacy law, when the police request your phone through the law, you have to do it. How come she don't want to hand over her phone? She has sabotaged the murder investigation into her son.
It is unfortunate the pronouncements, the detailed pronouncements that were made by the police force in an ongoing sensitive investigation, especially when the parents are interested in finding out, seeing an end to this investigation. So to have the police force putting information out in the public that could possibly disrupt the investigation is unfortunate. It is unfortunate.
Yo, our lawyer, I try everything to get this thing out throat. Now I blame the police. Say the police put out information, but it is a case in the public eye. The judge didn't say there was a media blackout on it. So why the police can't speak about it? The reason why them don't want that is because it looks so effing bad. And if our man, the boy Issa where she married, can leave a both of them involved, yo. She don't want them see the phone. Maybe all she and another man. You understand? But as she involved in that, yo. And the police them I do a good job in that case, yeah. Keep on pressuring them. JCF, pressure. Don't give up. Guys, if you do, it'll look like a two kind of justice system. They are Jamaica. You understand? One for the rich and one for the poor. If you can't chase down bigger crime, you can't chase down that girl there. Straight up. And today or Friday, our case is supposed to be in court. Because the judge get mad and say she don't want nobody read out the privacy law. Which the judge is right. The privacy law works. Yo, when we get an order, forget your phone, we need your phone. There is nothing else. You understand? There is nothing else. So you need to hand over the phone. Now, me I go follow up on that case here. Now, me I go move on to the next case, which about that boy.
I am a trained Sissoko investigator, so we specialize in investigating sexual offenses. I can't tell you that I will ever be able to say it's the norm treating with these cases, because every case is different in its own way, but just the trauma. This one was particularly troubling for me because I dealt with that one. These are terrible matters, really touching, the investigator told the Jamaica First Country First. On Wednesday.
First of all, I must thank the Jamaican Constabulary Force for the job with them do in that case, yeah. May I tell you, Jamaica is a lawless blood clot place, you know. On top of the murder and the killing with the gang them, you have the serial rapists, you have the diddler them, I go off for PICKNEY. You have all sort of violence against women, but the police do a good job because that is the vice of a police who investigate the boy, Everton Bennett. You understand? And Jano, the case here is wicked. Yo, me gonna play some more clip and me gonna talk about it. What me think them should do at Jamaica to them boy, yo. My apologies, Mr. Everton Bennett. It's not Everton Bennett. Everton Bennett the singer. It's Everton Bennett. So my apologies, okay? But yo, listen to this.
In what was the second of 3 incidents, investigators say the mother and her 2 daughters were walking home from church sometime after 9 p.m. in February 2021 when they were held up by men traveling in a silver car. The women, who were ordered into the car at gunpoint, were robbed of their cellular phones and cash and then driven into bushes where the criminals took turns at raping the daughters while ensuring that the mother, who they kept imprisoned in the car, washed. She was spared from that assault. Investigators say the women were eventually released sometime after 11 p.m. close to where they had been initially abducted and assisted to a police station by a motorist.
Yo, wanna see what that boy do? Him rent a Toyota Axio car. And him and 2 other waste man, 2 other pussy, yo. Fucking kidnap the woman and her daughter them when them a come from church. And them rape off the 2 girl them, the woman 2 daughter, and the woman have to watch. And it's a police, it's a man pick them up and bring them to the police station. Yo, them boy are some waste man them. Now, in that case here, only 1 man get catch and Everton Bennett. And the him get catch, the police them did dip on him trail and them use DNA evidence and link him. Him have a total have 17 charges, you know, and him plead guilty. Wednesday just gone, and the Crown said them are give him about 21 years. Them forgive him life in a prison. And them need to catch them 2 other pussy there. Yo, them need to get a boy, them for cut off him balls. Them for new time, like what them do in America and Canada and them place there. You understand? What them do, them give you either drugs, when you go in a them prison there, for any sexual offense, you understand? Them give you drugs, for lessen your testosterone and neuter your blood clot or cut off your balls. If you don't believe me, you can look right on YouTube, there's my documentary. And that's what Jamaica needs to do. Yo, me I play another clip and then me I go round it up. But yo, me nah stop say the police them do a good job panda one ya. Big up panda one ya. Even though me not like police, but wanna do a good job.
The reports came in one behind the other, it was so many of them. We would have had other cases, but some complainants withdrew because of fear. It was actually a series of events, same description, same modus, but they came forward, made the report, were medically examined, but to deal with the trauma of the statements being recorded and all that, they just did not show up. So, without that, we cannot prosecute for those victims because they indicated they didn't want to follow through, because they didn't want to relive the ordeal, and for many other reasons, the countryman was told. Forensic evidence, in addition to the testimonies of the women, helped snag Bennett, who in August 2020 had reported his motor vehicle stolen and voluntarily gave a DNA sample to the police. After the forensics lab completed its analyses of samples related to the 4 women, Bennett was confirmed to be the source of the male DNA found in the semen obtained from the safe kit concerning the complainants. He was subsequently charged. Had the matter gone to trial, the Crown had planned on calling 19 witnesses. Bennett was represented by attorney Alexander Shaw.
Now, the police them catch him by getting his DNA, and as you hear the police say, the case them just keep on coming in one behind each other. Them add up to 17, and the police suspect that it was one person. The boy, him come in, report him car stolen, police them trick him, get him DNA, and it link to the semen where in the rape. So him do it. Alright, now him have 2 other people and 2 other waste man when him did a flex with. You need to get the police them boy there. Anybody know where them rapists are there? Them need to get them off of the streets of Jamaica. If nobody no want to defend the woman them, countryman will defend them. You understand? Get them rapists here off the street. Now, I'm going to do my synopsis. The first part of the video, upon the monster mommy, the girl where David Issa, the concubine there, and cut her PICKNEY throat, and I talk about a man take her car, and there's really no evidence for say man take her car. You understand, and do it, and she don't want police see her phone, and you are the mother will lose a child in that way. If she not guilty, means a white man right now, dog. Remember me tell you, that one that stink like, may I try if no cuss no bad word. And then, the other thing, the boy, Everton Bennett, the police them catch him, the monster rapist, we rape off the woman them, all upon them semen. The man do them thing, they rape off the 2 girls. When them a come from church, can you imagine? And them a talk about give him 21 years, them fi cut off him balls. And new time, a that them fi do, and a that countryman say, yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button. And like me say, yo, me I get more and more pissed off, so me just a speak my mind, you know. I may not be politically correct for nobody. Yo, that boy there, when him end up at jail, the man them went in a jail. The raper man, wanna fi catch him, I wanna fi fix him up. I'm out.